Hello students, following question is from part test 2 subject signals and system chapter Z transform. The question is asked for 2 marks. Question is the Z transform of the signal x of n is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n plus 1 times u of n plus 3 is option A is 4z cube divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse, and the ROC is mod of z is greater than 1 by 2. Option B is 4z cube divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse, and ROC is mod of z is less than 1 by 2. Option C is 4z divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse, ROC is mod of z greater than 1 by 2. Option D is 4z divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse, mod of z is less than 1 by 2. See, we are given that we know that x of z is equal to summation of n equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z raised to minus n. However, here we are given that u of n plus 3. So over here my n would vary from minus 3 to infinity, and replacing x of n value as 1 by 2 raised to n plus 1, and this is same as z raised to minus n. Fine. Now what we will do is replace this n by n minus 3. So what we will get is summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 2 raised to n minus 2 and z raised to minus n plus 3. Now what we have done is from this part we have taken 1 by 2 raised to minus 2 common, and from this part z raised to 3 outside this summation, since it is independent of this variable n. So now we have summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 2 raised to n z raised to minus n. So from this part we get 4 times z cube, and from this part we know that it is 1 upon 1 minus a z inverse, where for here we have a is equal to 1 by 2, and for this part we know that the ROC is mod of z is greater than mod of a, where a is 1 by 2. So in our case the final answer is option A, that is 4z cube divided by 1 minus 2 times z inverse, and ROC is mod of z is greater than 1 by 2. So whenever we are given such kind of problem, we need to simply know the basic formulas of z transform, and using following step by step we could arrive to the final answer, which in our case is option A, that is 4z cube divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse, and the ROC is mod of z is greater than 1 by 2. Thank you.